This is a Razzaq YT production.
What's up, YouTube? What's good? It's Razzaq here, and I'm back with another one. What's up with y'all? If you're an old subscriber, welcome back to the channel. We got a new video today. I know I just posted yesterday, but I know y'all bored in the house, so I got the videos for y'all. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to welcome you and tell you to hit the subscribe button and leave a like down below. And you already here, so you really might as well just subscribe to me. In today's video, I'm gonna be trying out something that I've never done before. I'm gonna be doing a dreadlock review. Hopefully this goes well on Gunna. One of this generation's really just best artists out right now, and he has some of the livest dreads too. And we're just gonna jump right into this. I got some videos, I got his Instagram open, and we're gonna review Gunna's dreads. I'm not trying to take too long on this intro, but this week's Instagram shoutouts for the week are gonna be right here. If you guys want to get an Instagram shout out, as y'all already know, all you gotta do is follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Like some pictures, DM me, and you might just be in the next video. I appreciate all the love from the last video. Y'all got it to like 300 views in less than 24 hours. That's crazy to me. And we can just keep this going. This would be great. But without any further ado, bro, let's just jump right into the video.
And I'm just trying to count up the cake. Just trying to scoot off in the race. Fuck niggas, stay in your place. Yeah.
Alright, you guys, I'm just gonna hop straight into the review. First thing that I got for you guys is Instagram. We're gonna go through a few recent pictures, probably nothing too far back. And then after that, I got a few videos and like a little clips of him for y'all. And I'm just gonna keep talking about his dreads over it. But let's get right into it. It's crazy because I really did just open Instagram, and the first thing that pops up is Gunna's. I'm not even lying. Y'all might think I'm lying, but I'm so serious. The first thing that popped up was a picture of Gunna, but this isn't even him. I think this is Lil Got It. He just dropped an album. And let me give y'all this little motivation for the day. Y'all can pause that and read it if you want, but let's just go right into his account. Man, I'm not gonna lie, Gunna has like came up so much over the past few years. Like 3 years ago, people didn't even know who he was really, and you know, I think it's crazy that all the people from Atlanta are just getting put on by Young Thug. Like that's some real cool shit, to be honest. But anyways, this first picture right here, this guy got the blonde dread. I don't even know if this is blonde actually, cause I don't know what color this is. It's not I don't think it's the same color as my hair, but it is pretty live. He got this little silk shirt on too. That's tough. But I don't know. Right now he has the 2-trend twist, and if you guys follow Gunna, a lot of the time he really be rocking like the braids back, like some, I forgot what they're called. I think they're called plaids or something. But he usually has that. But in this picture right here, you can see that he has the twist, and he also has rubber bands at the end of the twist. I don't know. I'm trying to stop doing that because I heard it's bad for your hair, but shoot. But yeah, this is a nice little style. I don't even remember exactly when he did this, cause I don't know. I just kind of checked back on Gunna and his hair was a completely different color. But it's the same hairstyle in this picture right here. And honestly speaking, I know like this guy Gunna most definitely started his dreads by by twisting with gel. Like there's no way he started it any other way than twisting with gel. So if you want to get dreads like Gunna, all you really got to do is just go to your loctician and really just show her a picture of his hair, and she could probably, he or she, you know, people do it too, but they could probably do it for you, honestly. And I know the loctician that he goes to, her name is dreadlocks. She has a really cool Instagram page too. I might actually go to that. But here's a different style that he has right now. These look like just some braids or something to the back. This stuff be tight on your scalp. I don't know how he's always wearing this. I could never, man. He has 5 braids going back, and bro, whenever you do barrel twists or stuff like that, it is so painful. That's why I really don't like doing it, but it is a nice style to wear, especially since he has a full-headed dreads. That's one of my biggest regrets. Should really get into that. But yeah, that's honestly it for this review. I think it's about time I wrap it up. There's really nothing more that I could talk about in this one. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if I should keep doing this. Let me know some more people whose locks I should review, and I'll get to that in due time. But that's it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one, and y'all take it easy.